Hello, people. So, I'm always on this mission to just generally, like each time, like I said, I come across a nice profile on Instagram. I like to speak about it on my channel because here, ऐसा है कि there are so many profiles on Instagram and so many things to do that sometimes it helps to have that one person kind of telling you कि यार this is really good. So there is this profile called थोड़ी चीनी थोड़ा नमक and this I knew her as a schoolmate. She has now a podcast and it's called That Woman in Me. And literally, yeah, I've been I'm very keen on following these very interesting pages and these new ideas. So podcast is something, it's like you can listen to it while driving and all. So That Woman in Me, it's called, and you can actually find her through Instagram. थोड़ा थोड़ी चीनी थोड़ा नमक. And it's all about, she speaks about her battle through depression and how she's now gone on to find herself. So it is so inspiring, yeah. So people, I can't recommend it enough. You'll have to check out this page. uh, थोड़ी थोड़ी चीनी थोड़ा नमक, and then listen to her podcast, because even her voice has that effect where once you start listening you want to keep listening. I remember listening to it on Spotify, and it's on in these different yeah, Spotify is the one platform it's there on. It's on another platform also, Google Podcast or something, but Spotify. But at least go and check out her page because it's something new. So really, people, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.